This video tutorial I will explain what is an API. API stands for Application Programming Interface, and application is nothing but software on your computer. For example, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, etc. And apps on phone. For example, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. And program is nothing but that makes the application work by performing the task. And interface is a way for an external party to interact with the program. Interface is nothing but a way for external party to interact with your program. And here you can see the Google Map application, and we can interact with Google Map application by touching the screen, providing input in the text box, zooming in, zooming out, etc. And external party is nothing but it is you or your kid or your wife who is using the Google Map application. And finally, the program is within the Google Map application. Example of program of Google Map application is find location by type. Type can be a grocery shop or mall, etc. Suppose we put type as grocery shop, then Google Map will find the grocery shops near to the location. And now you can understand, right? Interface is the way for external party to interact with the program. So you are the external party, and you are using Google Map screen to find the grocery shops near to your location. Commonly we use user interface or UI to interact with the application. And user interface contains buttons, links, etc. By clicking that, we can interact with the application. So what is an application? Example of application is calculator application, which you can see it in computer or phone. And calculator application can perform different tasks like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So within the calculator application, different programs will be there. Addition program will perform addition task, subtraction program will perform subtraction task, multiplication program will perform multiplication task, and division program will perform division task. So the program contains instructions or code for performing a task. For example, addition program will be look like this, and it has add method which accept two parameters, and we have to pass two numbers. Suppose you are passing 3 and 4 from UI, then A will be assigned as 3 and B will be assigned as 4, and 3 plus 4, 7, and 7 will be stored here, and this program will return 7 to the caller. So within calculator application, there will be different programs. Program for addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And how to call this program? Using the user interface, the calculator application makes calls to the program and show the result. So without user interface, we cannot use calculator application. Here you can see calculator application. It has programs like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Here you can see tax calculator application, and it will perform tax calculation. And programs within the tax calculator application wants to use addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division programs in order to do the tax calculation. And the issue is tax calculator application is not a human, so it cannot use UI interface to perform addition or subtraction. So what we can do is in calculator application we can introduce application programming interface, and it will be the mediator between the external program from tax calculator application and internal programs of calculator application. So it will take input from tax calculator application, and it will call internal programs like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and it will perform the particular task and return the result back to the tax calculator application programs. APIs are so popular because it reduces complexity. Suppose you want to get the shortest distance between point A to point B in the current traffic situation, and within some milliseconds you want the result. This kind of complex operation can be done by API and easy access. And some of the service provider will provide their database access by exposing their API. So we can call their API in order to get data from their database. And API is platform independent. So you can work with API in different operating systems like Windows, Linux, etc. And also you can work API in different languages like Java, .NET, etc. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.